This is my dwarf peach tree Bonanza, which I've had probably for over a decade now in this pot. It produces around 40 to 50 fruit a year, which is tons for us. So you purchase them in the autumn, like this, in a little pot. It needs a decent sized pot to fruit well, but once you've got it established in there, you virtually do nothing to it at all. As far as feeding's concerned, I use slow feed because it feeds for 2 years, and I top it up in spring with Novatec. Watering's really important because of course it's contained in a pot, so regular watering 2 or 3 times a week depending on the temperature. You need good watering, otherwise you won't get decent sized fruit. It really requires, you know, practically no pruning, maybe the odd little thing taken out of the middle if it gets a little bit congested. Apart from that, I do nothing to it at all. And they look really cool. I've got a pair of these. I've got a peach tree and a nectarine, and I love them both.